Today we're breaking down the Travis Scott Air Max 1 Baroque Brown. Let's go. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's Zach today with Tamsters Kicks, and we have the newest Travis Scott Air Max 1 collab. This is the Baroque Brown colorway, and I am super hyped to have these in hand today to show you guys. I've been waiting for this release, and we finally copped off them, and I'm just super hyped to get into it today. If you guys haven't seen an unboxing video, we're just gonna go through the shoe, go through the history, the release, break down the actual shoe, show you guys midfoot, midsole, you guys know, upper, stuff like that. And at the end of the video, we will get into a little bit of a resale prediction, kind of just the market on the shoe, letting you guys know what I think about that. And again, before we get into that, you guys know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, leave a like, push this video out to everyone trying to see kind of stuff like this, as well as leave a comment if you guys cop these, if you guys are trying to get these, because I know I was, and I'm super hyped for them. Let's get into it. So these released May 27th. We had 3 different colorways come out. This was the Baroque Brown one, and we also had the Saturn Gold. Both of those ones released Nike sneakers, boutiques. On Travis's website, they loaded a raffle a couple days before, and then actually on May 27th, he loaded up another raffle, put all the pairs back up, kind of re-raffled those, as well as brought out a wheat lemon pair right here. This color is pretty sick. If you guys hit this one, it is super limited, honestly, and prices are really good. So go enter the lottery if you hit that one, but we got this color in today. Now this shoe draws inspiration from the Nike ACG Pocket Nike shoe, and the box here shows the Cactus Corporation logo on it, all brown with the Nike branding around the shoe as well. And I was hyped for them, and they do not disappoint in hand. Super clean. I was so excited to get these in. I love Travis, love all the shoes he does, and I was particularly excited for him to collab on the Air Max 1 because I really liked the 270s and what he did on those, so I was hyped for that. And with this upper, you have a light yellow layered mesh fulfilling most of that upper, as well as a tonal brown kind of Durabuck material on the overlays. And I love that different Durabuck brown colorways you have here around that toe box. The darker brown kind of goes back into the back heel collar, and then you have that other brown which comes around here and then also goes in that midfoot area here, as well as on the medial side you have a third kind of more lighter yellowish kind of brown tannish. It does really complement that layered mesh, but with the Durabuck feel to it. Super clean, as some other details as well. On the upper, you have the little Nike pennant on the back, kind of an ACG thing right there, as well as the tongue has a Cactus Corporation logo. Seen on the box, seen here, that just kind of complements the Travis Scott vibes. You also have that reverse swoosh, and then the insole has a little Cactus Jack insignia right there too. The midsole and outsole is a yellow sole with a cloudy air unit to complete the design. One thing I wish they did do different on these was a see-through air unit, so you could actually see the bubble on them. I get why they did it, just to kind of round out that muted yellow tone to it, but other than that, that midsole is super sweet with first the brown color around here, the middle part, and rest of the midsole is completed with the yellow color, and then the outsole also matches that darker brown tonal that complements the upper really well. Another detail I didn't even mention yet is the lacing system. It kind of looks like it's a little weird, but it's a gilly lacing system which is featured on a lot of trail runners, which is one of my favorite parts of the shoe, honestly. Combined with that red kind of trail runner laces, I think they look super clean. They also come with these brown laces right here, so you can kind of swap those two out, but I really like the red ones. I think complements it well, and of course the Travis Scott vibes on the shoe, my favorite parts. Now for resale, these are sitting about low sizes, kind of like 400s, upper 300s, and then big sizes, mid 400s. That Saturn Gold pairs, low 300s, upper 200s, not doing too hot. And we kind of saw this with the 270s, that prices were high and they just started to slowly creep down. I think they're around 400 right now, where they were sitting at 500. And I mean, with the current market, things going on, shoes always dropping, I wouldn't be too confident in holding these. The thing holding it together is the Travis, and that it is, this color is honestly, I mean, in my opinion, I think it's the best color, and it's either this or the wheat lemon one, I think, for most people. So colorway, it's holding it together, but if you guys wanted to hold into fall, that wouldn't be a bad idea. I don't see substantial growth like Travis Scott 4s did, where they just boomed like $600-700. We could see like $100 increase in bigger sizes, but I wouldn't be too confident. Again, if you guys are trying to really maximize profits, quick selling, getting label scans, or just fulfilling pre-orders for people is the best way. That's going to be it for the video today on the Travis Air Max 1s. Guys, I was super hyped for these today and glad I showed them off. Ready to put them to foot, and that's it for the video. Leave a big like, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next one.